Now, Mr. Gunpat taught me math, integrated modern mathematics. I was going to say integrated science. Now, there was a point when we started changing the subject of the formula. Now, Miss Esther Bassoul also taught me math and English. But she basically taught about profits and charts and sets. What did Mr. Gunput teach us about? Changing the subject of the formula. I learned about the parabola there. And then in Hillcrest, I learned about the ellipse and the hyperbola and things like that. Then in calculus, I learned about other things. I used logarithm, and I heard maybe of natural log. I used logarithm tables, but didn't really know how the numbers were made. I knew how to use them. Didn't realize that it had to do with powers of 10, but decibels have to do with powers of 10, and whatever. pH has to do with powers of 10 too. Now, it makes sense then to have a computer based on 10 digits. And it makes sense to have computers using light and photon, because I just realized, learned, not realized, I learned that light is made of photons, and the number of photons in light depend on the frequency of the light. Now, what is the frequency of white light? What is the frequency of sunlight? Now, if you don't know 100 is a 1 and 2 zeros, and you think that 100 is 1 and 2 Q, and they're missing that little thing at the bottom, and somebody thinks that 100 is 1 and 2 zero, which one understand what the 100 is? You say you can't have you can't have a chicken without the egg. But I know I got eggs. I, I know I got eggs. I didn't have chicken. Then I had chicken and eggs. Then I had chicken but no eggs. Live chicken and no eggs in the pen. What came first, the chicken or the egg? Who came here first this morning, sir? What time did you come in here this morning? You don't know, I don't know either. Who cares about if the chicken came first or the egg came first? Is the egg available to eat? And the chicken is it chicken laying or not? Or is it chicken a rooster? Which one is it?